Here's a quick video to get kids started on this worksheet. This is a 4-digit or 3-digit divided by 2-digit. I'm also going to show you how to go into the decimals on this one. That's what makes it really a grade level piece. All right, we have 27. Does it go into 4? No, it does not. It will fit into 42 though. So it will go in there just one time. So one group of 27, 1 times 27 is 27. I subtract, I have 15 left over. Now, notice how the 2 is right above, the 1 is right above the 2. Because 27 doesn't go into 4, 27 goes into 42. All right, so now I'm going to bring down the 7. I have 157. How many times will 27 go into that? I think it's 5. 5 times 27. 5 times 7 is 5. Carry the 3. 5 times 2 is 10. That's 135. Yep, that's close. So it'll go in there 5 times. 5 times 27 is 135. We subtract that out. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. We have a remainder of 22. All right, so you could stop and say that this is 15, remainder 22. That's really elementary. You could say that this is 15 and 22 27ths. But I challenge you to go just a little bit further. Put up a decimal, and now we can add as many zeros as we want. So I can put a 0 there, and I'm just going to bring that 0 down and make that 220. Now, how many times does 27 go into 220? I think 9 times. Let me just multiply it out. 9 times 27. 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Here's the 3. Here's the 6. 9 times 2. That's going to be too big. I can already see. How about, let's try 7 times 27. 7 times 7 is 49. Here's the 9. Here's the 4. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 4 would be 189. 189. I think that's going to be it. Nope, I think I still can, yeah, I think I can get 8. 8 times 27. See all the work this involves? Yeah, a lot of multiplication. 8 times 7 is 56. Here's 6, and here's the 50. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 is 216. There we go. So we are going to go 8 times. That's 216. We subtract out. We have 4 left over. All right, you could stop here, 15.8. At least you've gone into the decimals, or you could continue to bring down zeros. I'll bring down one more. Bring down a 0, and it's 40. I could subtract just one group, or 27 out, and I've got 13 left. And so I'd say, this is great. If you can go a couple of decimals deep, that's what I'd like you to start doing. That's the next step in becoming a division expert. All right, let's skip over here and go to 31 into going into 6,716. So does 31 go into 6? No, it does go into 67 2 times. 2 times 31 is 62, and we subtract, we have 5 left. Again, notice that the 2 is above the 7. 31 doesn't go into 6, it goes into 67. Bring down this 1, we have 51. Okay, so we have 51 here. So 31 will go in there just one time. So here's 31. I subtract that out. I've got 20 left. I still can bring down on one more number. I have a 6. Now I have 206. I think 31 goes in there 8 times. 8 times 31. 8 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Nope, too big. 6. 31. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 186. Okay, so 186. And I can subtract that out, and I've got 20 left. 6 times. So, again, we could stop here and we could say that this is 216, remainder 20, very elementary. 216 and 20/31, much better. But let's just put a decimal up. Put a decimal here, put a decimal here, and we just add on a 0, right? We can do that. So let's bring that 0 down. Now we have 200. Well, once again, I was at 186. That was super close. I'm going to go 6 more times. 186. Subtract that out. We've got 14 left. So 216.6 is a much better answer. Again, let's just bring down another 0. I could just keep going for as long as I want or until it terminates. So we have 140. It's probably going to go in there just 4 times. 4 times 31. Before 124. I think that's as close as we can get. 4 times 31, 124. And then subtract out. We've got 16 left. So you can see how we can continue working through these problems. So there's a good little tutorial on getting you going on this worksheet. Thanks for listening.